Hello guys, in this video I would solve this circuit in which I will find the output voltage V0 and I0 the branch current. First of all, I have to identify that which rule or law I have to apply here to solve it. I have marked this node A and this is my source current flowing here. I name it IS. Further it I1 current. After that I1 current is further dividing into this node as well as towards the load, and I will mark it I load or IL. After that I have to write the equation using Kirchhoff's current law. So for node A, the Kirchhoff current law says that IS is equal to I0 plus I1, and I will name it equation number 1. After that I1, I will write the equation of I1, which is equal to I0 by 4 plus IL. That will be my load current, and in these equations I will put back I1 into the original equation. I will get IS is equal to I0 plus I1. I1 has I0 by 4 plus IL. As you know that this source current value is given 9 ampere. I0 plus I0 by 4 and IL, I have to write the values of IL so that I will make the equation in single variable. L is basically equal to V0 by 8 ohm. By Ohm law, V0 by 8 is equal to IL, and V0 value, as you know that in all parallel branches the voltage will be same. This will be similar as V0 voltage. So V0 will be equal to V is equal to IR. V0 will be equal to I0 into 2. It means V0 will be equal to 2I0. V0 over 8, it means IL will be by I0 by 4. I0 by 4. I will put IL value back into this equation, and S is equal to I0 plus I0 by 4 plus I0 by 4. This is 1, this is 0.25, this is 0.25. 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. It means this implies that IS was 9 ampere is equal to I0 plus I0 by 4. I0 by 4, I will solve it and it will become 1.5 times I0. And if 1.5 is divided on other side, I will get here I0. This implies that I0 is equal to 9 by 1.5, which is equal to 6 ampere. So I0 value I have found here, that was required in my question, and if the value of I0 is founded, I will put as V0 is equal to 2I0. As for this branch, V0 is equal to 2I0. V0 parallel, same voltage in all resistors. So V0 is equal to 2I0, 2 times I0. 2 times I0 is equal to 6 ampere. So V0 will be equal to 2 times I0. 2 times I0. I0 was 6. 2 times 6 is equal to 12 volt. So V0 value is founded here and I0 value is founded here. So this was the final solution to this circuit. Hopefully you have got how to solve this circuit, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.